Om Namo Venkatesaya. Welcome to Payana Guide. If you are first time to our channel, please subscribe. In this video, I will clearly show you step by step to book Senior Citizen Darshan ticket through online. I booked the ticket with 3 attempts. I will guide you what documents to upload and its file size so you can book without any issues. Every month, 23rd or 24th at 3 p.m., TTD releases darshan tickets 3 months in advance. So please keep a note. You should be very quick to book these tickets since number of tickets is less and also the ticket is free of cost. And also there is no postponement or cancellation of tickets once the ticket is booked. So most of the times within 5 minutes these tickets will be freezed. Please check the daily TTD latest updates after 19th of every month to get the accurate date and time for this senior citizen differently abled medical cases quota. Type TTD in the browser and click on TTD official website link. Then click on the online services option. Then choose Darshan option link. It redirects to TTD official online website. Click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. It will redirect to home page. Exactly at 3 p.m. click on this online services link and select differently abled / senior citizen darshan option. Repeat this activity every 30 seconds till you see the watch timer. Once the screen display with watch timer, don't do any activity till the timer displays 00 and redirects to screen displaying month calendars and also the option to choose the category. The entire month for which TTD releases tickets are shown in green color. If you click on category, it displays 3 categories: senior citizen, medical cases, differently abled. I am selecting the category as senior citizen. For senior citizen category, the age must be more than 65 years. And also you need to upload the Aadhaar card in JPEG or PDF format with file size less than 1 MB and need to bring this original Aadhaar card for the darshan. Then enter the age and then you need to choose accompany with spouse as yes or no based on the need. So the TTD allows only spouse as an attendant. For that, you need to choose accompany with spouse as yes, and then you need to select the date for which you need to book the ticket. Once you select the date, it displays the available tickets for the chosen date and also it displays the time slot. In this quota, by default, it will have only one time slot with 3 p.m. for each day. If tickets are more, then choose that time slot or the date. Then click on the checkbox which says by clicking continue you agree to selected time slot. Then click on continue button. It will redirect to the page where you need to enter the general details, the pilgrim details and the file to upload. So please enter the general details and then enter the pilgrim details, the name, age, gender and choose the photo ID proof and then enter the ID number. So please keep a note, whatever the ID proof you enter here, the same ID proof you need to take while darshan also. After entering the pilgrim details, then you need to upload a file based on the category with file size less than 1 MB. So here for senior citizen category, I am uploading the Aadhaar card as an age proof here in .png or PDF format with file size less than, and then click on continue button. The important tip to get the confirmed darshan tickets is before logging to the ttd official booking portal, for the number of people you are booking the tickets, note all the personal details like name, age, gender, ID number, and also the general information of the TTD website account holder like email address, city, state, country, PIN code in a notepad as a handy. You need to keep the Aadhaar card file for senior citizen category .png a PDF format with file size less than 1 MB. So if you are keeping all this information as a handy before you log into the TTD website, then you are taking very less time for booking comparatively to the other people who are entering all these details manually. These tickets will be freezed within less than 5 minutes. It will show all the details, whatever we entered, like general details, personal details, and darshan details, all this information here, and it will allow to edit if there is any corrections needed. So if all the details are correct, then you click on book now option. If the quota for the slot are fully booked, you will get the alert message to choose another slot. So click on choose slot, select another date which has more number of slots. The slots in green color have more slots. The slots in yellow are filling fast. So always choose green color slots. I am choosing 25th August which has 155 available slots. Let us try our luck. Choose the slot and click on continue button. Then click on book now button. Again bad luck. Got alert message as the quota for the slot are fully booked. Click on choose slot, keeping the fingers crossed and with the Lord Venkatesaya blessings, choosing August 23rd, which has 365 availability. Select the slot and click on continue button, then click on book now button. Finally, with Lord Venkateshaya's grace, book the senior citizen darshan ticket successfully. It will display saying the message whether the booking is successful or any failure. If it is successful, then it will allow to download the receipt. So you need to print the hard copy of this darshan ticket along with the ID proof. You need to carry all these documents for darshan. Once the ticket is booked, then the question comes is how to download this booked tickets when we need these tickets. So it's simple. So what we have to do is you need to log into TTD official booking portal in the same way you logged in for booking the darshan tickets. After logging to the site, in the home page, please click on the booking history link. It will display the page with an option to select the service. Here, you choose the service as the differently abled / senior citizen / medical case. Then it will display the history of how many times we booked this ticket. The currently booked ticket will be shown in top. So it shows the booking date and time, booking reference number, booking status, whether it's success or failure, and number of pilgrims we booked the ticket and book accommodation link. It will be enabled if we have booked darshan tickets for more than 2 people. And you will also see one down arrow mark. Click on that down arrow mark. It will display the booking details, payment details and refund details. In the payment details section, you can see the view receipt link. Click on that view receipt link to download the darshan ticket. To book the accommodation, please refer the video link given in the description. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.